What's up guys, Pete here, and I wanted to show you our new hammock by One Wind. Difference between this hammock and the one we've been using, which is like a little cheapie from Amazon. It's a two-person hammock. It works awesome, we love it. But sometimes you want a little bit better quality product and something that has some bug protection. That's what this one has. It's got a Mosquito Bug Net built into it. I'll show you how it works right now. The package, you'll find your hammock. They're rolled up nice and long straps to attach to your trees. We have a nice little creek with some waterfalls and it's beautiful, but I gotta admit, if you sit next to this thing, you're gonna get eaten alive, because anytime you're near water, what's near water? Bugs. So here we go, let's set this up. I'm thinking of being really ridiculous right now. Let's see if I can't fall in the water. I'm kind of thinking going from there over to there. Unnecessary, but why not? That's what I do. I do unnecessary things. Let's give it a shot. Strap number one. That's a big tree. Let's go this way. Time for strap number two. I don't know how I'm going to get into this. I'm up for the challenge. Got little cinchy straps on each end of that, and all that is a sleeve. And the hammock slides right out. So I'm going to take each end, and they have little buckles. See those? Got one end through. You just might see me fall in the water. We got it set up over the creek. Here are the cinchy straps for the mosquito net that keeps it up nice and tight. I'm trying to figure out if I have a good way to get into this thing. I probably made this way more difficult than it needed to be. I've got my beer. The mosquito net has an opening at the bottom. You just crawl in under that. I like to slowly slip in sideways and then turn. And there we go. No bugs. A nice little pouch at the top here for our phone or whatever. And like I said before, this is a two-person hammock. Plenty of room for two people to get into this, either facing the same way or one person's head there, one person's head like the way I'm facing. But yeah, the best thing about this is you can hang out in epic spots like this and you're not getting eaten by bugs. Oh man, we have our first intruder. Is that a bug? I don't know. He can't get in if he is. Get out of here. Alright, so there's your One Wind camping hammock review. I think it's pretty sweet. It's super comfortable. Pretty sure me and Anna will be using this very often because my wife Anna hates bugs. I do too, but she hates bugs. So we're gonna try this out on our next camping trip. And another thing about this hammock is it comes with a tarp or a cover. It's a bit more work to put up. That's why I didn't do it. I don't really need protection against the sun or rain right now. But if you were to go camping and you didn't bring a tent and you just wanted to like go out and find a spot like I did between two trees, set up your hammock, set up your tarp, strap it all down. That way if it ends up raining in the middle of the night or you wake up in the morning, you don't have the sun in your eyes. It's a pretty cool feature to have. Like I say, I didn't set it up, but we have it. We might use it in the future, we might not, but we pretty much bought this hammock for the net and the quality and the size of this thing. Two-person hammock, you can't go wrong. You buy them on Amazon, I think it was about 120, 130 bucks. Yes, you can get them a lot cheaper than that. We have one that's like $25, $30, comes with straps. It's really cool. I put a review for that one on my blog, but this one, I gotta say, it's really worth the money to have this bug protection. And I do like the straps. You don't have to pick from rings to hook your hammock onto. It's got the buckles, and then you can like infinitely adjust where you want it to be and how high and how tight. So that's a pretty cool feature. I wasn't sure how that was going to work until I actually set it up, and I really like it a lot better than our other one. So if you want to see more outdoor gear reviews like this one and see some of the things that we use on our trips, it'd help me out a lot if you could subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below if you get any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.